The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 and 720 Pro are designed to make pocket hole joinery faster and easier than ever. Even the base has built-in features that help. For starters, you can use the jigs in two different positions. In the standard position, you can easily drill pocket holes in a variety of materials. But if you're working with a piece that's longer, you can also pop open the support wings and they'll help hold longer pieces while you drill. If you're working with a really long piece or a large panel, you can actually take the jig and flip it this direction so that the grip max face is down. That way, you can bring in a large panel or a long board, clamp it down, and easily drill from this position. And the base is 1.5 inches thick, both sides. That means you can bring in 2x4s to help hold your workpiece. However, it's most convenient for you to drill. Of course, with 720 Pro, workpiece support is built right in. The supports that have storage inside also easily support long and large workpieces. And the 720 Pro comes with an adjustable material stop. You can use it for those times that you want to position your pocket holes precisely. Just adjust it to where you want it. And then every time you put a workpiece against that stop, you know that the pocket holes will be located exactly the same. Sometimes you might want to reach further in with the stop. And you can just move the arm to a different configuration and then it will reach in tighter. So there's times when maybe you're doing holes in the end of a rail, you can position it exactly. And of course, you can use the material stop on either side.